All right, so today we are reviewing the Creator's Cyclone bottle cutter. So you're gonna get it in a box like this, and you're gonna open it up, and you're gonna have your instructions. They put in a pair of safety glasses. All right, let's see what we got here. The Cyclone bottle cutter is made out of acrylic. No, I don't. Okay, we're good. And it comes with the CSG10 carbide cutting head with a spring. And it just pops in there. And you can also adjust the height of the cutting head for that score on your bottle. Now, comes with a foam grip for the top. So when you do turn it inside there, you have something to grip to turn. You have a bottle spacing ring. You just set that on any surface, place this over it. It also comes with a beer bottle sleeve. And if you wanted to do a bigger bottle, you wouldn't need the sleeve. So you just drop the sleeve in there after placing it on the spacer disc and drop your bottle in there. Adjust your height, lock it in. If we were ready to score, just press that in and rotate the bottle. Let's check out these safety glasses. These are PYRAMEX, really good quality. Okay. And it also comes with a abrasive smoothing stone. There we go.